Hello YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be creating a floral centerpiece for my dining table. I hope that someone finds some inspiration from this video, and thanks for watching.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely, I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Close, side, wanna be by your side. Close, just for a while, stay by my side. Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure, I know when I don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense?
So I don't want it to look perfect. You know, I want it to kind of just look like it's irregular, but I want it to be cute. So that's it right now. That's what it's giving right now. I still got space to add some more flowers. That was my plan, but I don't know what made me pick the camera up tonight to do to get started. But yeah, so yeah, let's move those around a little bit. Yep, I like it. So I'm gonna add some color to it. Who could guess what color I'm gonna use? Think about the curtains and tell me in the comments what you think I'm gonna put in here. I plan on getting them tomorrow. So, and I'm just gonna get one bundle, one little bushel, and just add a little touch of color in here. So, and we'll break it up. But it's cute though. It's cute. I like it. I like it. Now let me show y'all this one. I want y'all to look at all that mess I got over there. My cleaning stuff over here. I got stuff in the hallway over there from cleaning that room. Well, anyways, and I did it off camera, y'all, because it was just too much going on in that room. It still is. But, yeah. So this one. And, you know, it's got the glitter and stuff on it, so it matches the picture. And y'all know I got black glitter and clear glitter, white glitter. And I was going to put my podge all over this vase. I haven't done it yet, obviously, but I want to put a shine to this, too, with the glitter, the sparkles. I just ain't done it yet, but I like it. It's looking cute. So, if I had, like, some little something greenery to stand up in there, too, that would be pretty. So, we'll see. But all right, y'all, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed. And like I always say, and got some inspiration. And thanks for watching.